Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Binance. Log in and complete two-factor authentication so your session is secure. Once done, click Wallet, then Fiat and Spot to load your asset list. Make sure to use the search or filter to jump directly to the coin you want to inspect. You'll see available, locked, and total balances. This quick view shows what you can trade or withdraw now. Also note the fiat equivalent beside each coin to understand value at a glance. Now focus on deposits and transaction details. Click Deposit for the selected coin to reveal the address and network options. You must choose the correct network, ERC20 versus BSC versus Tron, because sending on the wrong chain can lose funds. Once the address appears, copy it or scan the QR. If the asset requires a memo or tag, you have to include that on the sending platform. Then open transaction history to match incoming TZIDs and see confirmation. Finish by verifying balances and recent transactions. Open transaction history and click the TZID to copy it. You can paste that into a blockchain explorer to watch confirmation progress and confirm the receiving address. If you plan to move funds out, send a small test amount first to avoid large mistakes. If something goes wrong, missing funds, or wrong network, double-check network and memo details, then contact Binance support with the TZID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.